Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove email in Google Forms. Google Forms sometimes require users to enter their email address, especially if email collection is enabled. Now, if you want to remove this requirement and allow anonymous responses, follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Google Forms, and to do that, just go to your web browser and in Google search for forms.google.com. Now, access the website that says workspace.google.com/product/forms. Now, after the website appears, make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now, once you log in, open the form you want to remove the email requirements from. For example, I'm gonna choose a regular form. This form right here. After you open the form, the second step is to check if the email collection is enabled. You can do this by clicking on the settings section right here. Go from the question settings to the question option tab to the settings tab. Click on it. Now go to the responses section and click on the arrow to drop down the options. Now, if collects emails is turned on, that means it's as you can see here, verified or responders input. Toggle it off. Turn it back to do not collect. Third step is to check if an email field exists in the form. Now go back to the question section and check here if there's an email section right here that requires an answer. For example, you might add a question or for email field. Now the fourth step is to enable the anonymous response. Now under settings, go to responses, go back to responses right here, and then turn off the restrict to users in your organization option. This ensures that users can fill out the form without signing in. You can also do another thing, which is after you publish the form, click on the share button right here and change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone can access it without having to enter their login with their Google account. Disabling email connection in Google Forms allows for anonymous responses. Just ensure that email related settings and questions are turned off or removed. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.